Jack and Jones is a billion-dollar brand and they have 1,000 stores in 38 countries. Now, for the past 5 months, they've been promoting this upselling offer that is 50% off second pair of jeans. They've been promoting this offer in both their physical stores and their online stores, everywhere. Here's a picture of me in front of the offer almost half a year ago. And till this day, this offer is still active. Now, the technical term for this kind of upsell is buy X, get Y. Buy this product, get a percentage off this product, the same product or different product. Buy X, get Y. Now, for a billion-dollar brand to promote this upselling offer for half a year, you gotta know that this upsell must make them a lot of money. So in this video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about this upselling offer to set this up all by yourself, all for free in the next 24 hours. My name is Sun, and I'm the founder of UpEasy, which is an all-in-one upselling toolkit for Shopify. Our company have worked with over 100 brands and generate hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month for brands just from upselling revenue. And a big chunk of that revenue is actually come from this buy X, get Y upselling tactic, which I'm gonna show you some examples of how brands that use UpEasy to create this offer. For example, we have American Benchcraft who is giving 15% off another belt. The same thing like Jack and Jones, it is 50% off for the second belt. Let's watch this. As people add a different belt to the cart, they get this 50% off discount right in here. And this happens every time that somebody add one belt into their cart. So 100% of the customer who shop the belt would know about this offer and they don't want to miss it. Another example that is being used by Manta Sleep doing the same thing, which is get a second sleep mask for every time that they have at least one of the sleep masks in the shop. For example, right here, so you can see it's very similar to American Benchcraft. They just add it to the cart, the discounts automatically applied, customer get the deal, they love it, they check out, they got the discounts right there. And to take it a further step, Manta Sleeps is actually getting the similar deal for accessories as well. So this deal is get 20% off any accessories when buying a Manta Sleep mask. So any customers who have one sleep mask in their shop, they have these amazing deals. If they don't take it now, they can never have it again. And this is why buy X, get Y is powerful. It taps into this emotional trigger of the human being, which is fear of missing out. If customers don't claim this offer now, they can never have it again next time they come around. So now, how do you create your own buy X, get Y offer? The app we're gonna use is UpEasy. So right here, I have my UpEasy app installed on my Shopify store. And by the way, UpEasy is free to start and you only pay when the upsell works. So let's go to offer and discounts. And we're gonna click buy X, get Y. Here you can see some examples from brands that are using this discounts. So click create this offer. Now let's name our offer. In this example, I'm using a shop of mine that is selling sweater, women's sweater. So my deal would be 30% off second sweater. The condition for customer buy is that they need to have at least one of the products from the sweater collection. And then they will have 30% off, again, products in the sweater collection. And I will make sure that customer only get this discount once. At least once every one sweater, and then just hit save, and that's it. Now we have the deal. So if we go back to our shop and we have two sweaters in the cart, you will see that one of them is now 30% off. But we need to bring this offer to the shop and to the cart specifically so that customers see this deal every single time. For that purpose, we're going to create an upsell flow. Go to UpEasy, go to upsell flow and click in cart upsell. You can do this in the cart. Let's create an upsell flow. Now you can choose a couple placement for your upsell. In this example, I usually like to choose placement under a cart item. So I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to select one template right here, just anyone would work. Okay, let's rename our upsell flow. So upsell second sweater. We're gonna choose to show the upsell under products that is in the sweater collection, and we're gonna suggest again other sweaters right there, and we're gonna need to make sure that we do not show the upsell when customers already have the discount, right? So we're gonna make sure that the cart discounts do not contain any of the upsell, which is the 30% off second sweater. And then our headline, something to say to our customers: your next sweater is 30% off, and hit save. One last thing, let's style it a little bit. Let's choose a button and then publish it. We come back to the store, hit reload, and now our offer is here. Customer can click choose, select the style, select the size. In this case, I don't have one size here. Click add, and now the offer is there. And that's it. This is the same way that I've been implementing upsells for American Benchcraft, for Manta Sleep, and so many other e-com brands. So go to upeasy.io if you want us to take care of the setup, and you can book an onboarding call on our website, upeasy.io. But if not, just look up Upeasy in the App Store, install it all by yourself. It's not for free, no need for trial, and you only pay when Upeasy works. Cheers!